Hello all and welcome to a new video. Today we will be talking about the full stack launch of Starship and the rebuild of the an225 Mriya. Let's start. The launch of Starship. The full Starship was launched on April 20, 2023 at SpaceX Starbase Boca Chica. Almost after 4 minutes after launch, 6 of the engines on the Starship shut down immediately and no one knows the reason yet. And the rocket started tilting, which resulted into its gyroscope malfunctioning, and then it exploded. And these are a few photos of the launch, but still a big engineering feat for SpaceX. Next, the an225 Mriya. The Mriya exploded on 24th of Feb 2022 in the Russian-Ukraine war. There was a fundraiser set up by Antonov Airlines to rebuild the aircraft. They raised around $4 billion to rebuild the aircraft, enough to make around 8 more. But the rebuilding cost for one will be around 502 million, and the restoration for the exploded one will be around 3 billion. There is one half built an225 Mriya which can be restored, and that will cost around $300 million to rebuild. Thanks for watching. Will the an225 Mriya be rebuilt? Comment down on your thoughts.